Hi, welcome back. Glad you are here. I'm Carolyn, and I'm your dream bag lady. Thank you so much for being here again. We're going to be doing another unboxing. LV has come out with quite a few beautiful by the pool summer collection. And yes, I'm at it again. Another by the pool. So I got another Neverfull monogram giant coated canvas, natural cowhide leather, gold hardware, inside we have this gold clap, huge interior zipper pocket. Now, I don't know if I mentioned last time that they no longer has the date code anymore. They replace it with a microchip, and mainly for their repair purposes, so they can scan it in and easier to check. A smaller monogram on the bottom here. This bag feels a little bit more structural than most Neverfull. And this is size MM. They usually make it MM for limited edition. 12.2 by 11 by 5.5 inches. That's the most popular size. And then you have keychain. It's very special. Only the limited edition has it. 2 pieces, just like the one on the back. This one here. Gold hardware again. It's quite beautiful. This is their wristlet pouch. Gold hardware again with the natural leather, zipper, another pocket inside. The color is really cute for summer. And then it comes with the leather, gold hardware. So it goes right in here. Beautiful. It's a very beautiful size. You can fit a lot in here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I also have an Instagram account, also called Dream Bag Lady. Don't forget to subscribe. There will be more unboxing video because this is mainly for unboxing, and I hope to see you again. Until next time, thank you so much. Take care.